What's up, you guys? It's SkinnyBoyRandy. Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. Today, I hope you will follow me. Click like and subscribe. Click the bell. Share the video. You know I do. I make 2 videos at one time just in case one camera go out because anybody got no money to be doing it all. Anybody got no money? Okay. So, I love you guys. Thanks for being here. You are the best. So, maybe if I look this way, maybe I'll look cross-eyed. And I can see both of y'all at the same time? No, that don't work. That don't work, y'all. It just made me blurry. Lord, woo, it got dizzy. Lord, I meant that. Okay. All right, you guys, today what I'm just doing is giving you an update on all of our seeds that we have started over. You remember the disaster. I call it a disaster, y'all. Yes, a major disaster. When I killed all my seeds, we went to work today. It was a Sunday. It was the Lord's Day. Everybody was at church. I was at work on a double. And the plants were in the greenhouse, and the greenhouse got to 119 degrees. It was 1 degrees outside, but the sun will heat your greenhouse up like a pan of collard greens being fried. Okay. So what I'm going to do is just show you what I have growing. And what I've never done is show you the germination process and what we're looking for in the end. So today, that's what I'm going to do. Everything we're germinating, I'm going to show you a picture of it and what we're expecting and what we should get this spring, summer, y'all. We're only a few weeks away, you guys. I've been doing work outside. You've seen me. You know it. SkinnyBoyRandy. I can't help myself. I said I was not going to do a video today because I'm tired. And I just wasn't going to do one today. But my crazy cousin Terry got me in here pulling out seeds and things and all that. We might do another video later on tonight with her in it, planting some stuff, okay? So, here we go. I'm just going to show you what's going on. We're going to make this very quick and easy. I always say that, right? Y'all probably say that is the quickest making video boy, and it be 10, 12, 13, 15 minutes. Sorry. Oops. My bad. But yeah, I love you guys. You are the best. Thanks for being here so much. I love you guys. Shout out to Corey Gardening with Goo. Get with it. Corey, Goo, get with it. You know what I'm talking about. Gardening with Goo. One of our good friends on our YouTube, Facebook. Follow him, you guys. Check out his channel, Corey. Gardening with it. You know what I mean. I don't know his name. I didn't write it down, but I know it's Corey and Gardening with it. And we had the today was Drop a Beat Thursday. DABT. Drop a Beat Thursday. And I did a little beat thing, y'all. He put out springtime is near, pollinators are around. And my line was dropping seeds, digging holes. I'm all up in that ground. I won 2nd place, you guys. Thank you, Corey. Thank you for my Cash App reward for winning 2nd place. You are the best guy. I just love that. And that was a great project you did today. Shout out, y'all. Check out Gardening with Goo on Facebook, YouTube. Check them out. Follow them wherever you can, okay? Hi, Gardening with Goo. Corey, love you and your family, man. Keep doing what you're doing. I admire you. You're an inspiration down there in Florida. You know that, right? Okay, so keep it going. All right, you guys, let's get into the video. Okay, so we're planting sweet pepper long blend. These came from Burpee. I just want to show you everything that I'm planting. Look at my seeds, y'all. They have germinated after the disaster. I am just so thankful and blessed. Look at the back. These were planted on February 23rd. Today is what, March 5th, 4th? Y'all know I get my dates mixed up. Don't play with me, okay? So this is what these are going to look like. Sweet pepper, long pepper blend. And these are from Burpee. So I just want to give you guys a visual of everything, okay? So I'm going to put those over there. Then we have our Keystone Giant. And these are from Valley Green. Our Keystone Giants. Look at our Keystone Giants, you guys. Yep. They're doing their thing. Can y'all see that? These are Keystone Giants. And I'm just giving you an idea of what your seeds look like. Those were planted on the 23rd. Everything I'm showing you is planted on the 23rd. These are Craig Grand peppers. Where's my Craig Grand pepper label? It's over there somewhere, y'all. I'll show you when I get to it. Okay, we have our Big Red Sweet. These are by Burpee. Our Big Red Sweets by Burpee. Okay? And these should look like that when we get them outside, y'all. We don't have long for spring, y'all. We are almost there. I love you guys. You're the best. And then we have our Sweet Pepper California Wonder. Oh, my light just went out on that side, y'all. Did y'all see that? Okay, okay. Oh, that scared me. Ooh, with a light done went out on that side, y'all. So let me see if I can get a little bit more light. Maybe here. Wow, that just shut off. Oh, well, y'all, we're going to do this in the shade, okay? And these are our California Wonder Peppers. Okay? Now we have the Chinese 5-star, y'all. Look at that. And you thinking, oh, there's nothing in that cup, Randy. There's nothing in there. Look. Check your cups all the way around. Let's see if I can get this light off here. Check your cups all the way around. Look over there. You see that? See it? Can you see it in this one? You guys, I'm going to get me a regular stand for my camera, y'all. You know how I'm doing mine. I just make a video so y'all can see what's going on. Okay, okay. Now these, all these right here are from the grow kits from the Dollar Tree. Don't sleep on the Dollar Tree, y'all. Don't sleep on them, okay? Okay. Look at all these. All these came in this container. I planted all the seeds and every last one of them came up. I ain't lying to you not. They all came up. And this is what the box looks like from the Dollar Tree. You get the seed pellet, which is your soil. You get the pot, and you get the seeds. You can start a garden with little to no money, you guys. If you can make it to a Dollar Tree, pick up a couple of things, and you can start your garden inside your house. All of these came out of that one cup. I separated them into individual containers so they can have their own home, and they are doing great, you guys. Okay, so let's keep it moving. These are our Rutgers. Our Rutger tomatoes. And this is how they're looking now. These were planted on February 23rd. February 23rd. Oh, the light popped back on. Did y'all see that? I'm getting scared now. Okay, okay. Light, stop playing with me. I don't play that. Look at that light cut on and off by itself. I know I ain't told a lie. Okay, okay. All right, and then we're going to go on to our sweet Spanish onions. There they go. Now I'm going to show you something with a sweet Spanish onion. I planted both of these on February 25th, 2020. Look at these, y'all. Same plant. This is what they call legging. And look at the back. Show you the same date. I ain't got the light, Craig. I ain't got the light, Craig. See? Same plant, but look how long these ones are right here. They're legging. They were not directly under the light like these were. So this is what legging is, you guys. When your plant is missing the light, it's reaching for it. It's trying to grab as much light as possible. It's looking for the sunlight. But we're starting our seeds inside, so we have to give it the artificial light. So when you get your grow lights, make sure you have the right grow lights, you guys. This is my first time growing everything from seed to put in my garden. And of course, here's my baby, SkinnyBoyRandy Jr. Look at him. He is just awesome, y'all. He is awesome. This is going to be my favorite plant. I may give this plant its own area in memorial to myself. Okay, okay. Because you've been on YouTube with me this whole time and you showed the people you can do it. Everybody talks about SkinnyBoyRandy Jr. Okay? Okay, we love you guys. All right, y'all. Now, another plant I'm excited about is the orange tamarillo. What is it? I'm sorry, tomato yellow pear. Now, Baker Creek gave me these yellow pear seeds for free. Look at the pack. This was a free pack. Look at these seeds, y'all. I'm so thankful. Thank you, Baker Creek, for my free seeds. You guys, they give you a pack of free seeds with every order. Okay? Okay? And these are in their book. They're not just giving you anything. They're giving you some good stuff. And these yellow pears I thought about ordering, but I didn't. And I wound up getting a free pack. Awesome. Thank you, Baker Creek. And they're doing great. They're doing great, you guys. And then we have our Naranjello Orange. These are our citrus. Look at them. Planted February 21st. I'm really kind of shocked, y'all. Like everything... I'm loving Baker Creek seeds. It's giving me an idea of the difference between seed companies and different seeds and how they germinate. Baker Creek seeds germinate, you guys. They're doing great. I mean, all of mine are doing great. So let's keep it moving because we have a lot of stuff to cover. These are our sweet pepper California hybrid. And these are from Burpee. I'm going to keep it moving, you guys. I don't want to hold you too long. More cardinal hybrid peppers. More. See the difference? These were planted on February 7th, and these were planted on February 23rd. See the difference? Same seed. And this is the part of our succession planting, just showing you guys how we're planting. Now, these are California Wonder again. And again, you probably say, Randy, ain't nothing in that cup. Ain't nothing in that cup. But me and my cousin, we were looking. If you look closely, you see that loop right there? That's the beginning. You see it? I hope you can see it, you guys. That's when it needs to go directly up under your grow lights, up under your lights that you have. Okay, you guys? And these are more Tamarello. No. These are February 25th. Tomato yellow pear. These are our yellow pears, you guys. Our yellow pears right here. This is what these are going to look like. You guys, I am just so thankful and excited that you're here. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy. We love you. Thanks you for being here. Now, these are the orange Naranjello. Again, you might say there's nothing in there. If you look close, if you look closely, you see that one? If I get my finger on it without touching it. You see that? Look for that little hoop, y'all. That little hoop. Look for that little hoop. And that's your, yeah, it's coming on up. Going directly under the grow light. Very close. You guys, I got so much stuff on this table, I'm just overwhelmed. These are our Aunt Rubies. Look at our Aunt Rubies. We have 3 cups of Aunt Rubies. And these are supposed to stay green. I love fried green tomatoes. And I have 3 sets of Aunt Rubies, y'all. I have 3 sets of Aunt Rubies. And look at them. Some from the 23rd right here. These are the 23rd. These are the 21st. See the difference? These are the 23rd Aunt Rubies. Okay, moving on. We have our Dad Sunset. We have 3 sets of Dad Sunset. You guys, I didn't realize how many seeds I have, you guys. And they're growing. They're doing their thing. Dad Sunset tomatoes. Baker Creek. Dad Sunset. And we have 3 sets of these. Some planted on the 23rd. Yeah. And some planted on the 21st. These are Dad Sunset. Dad Sunset tomatoes. Now these ones were planted on the 21st. You see the difference? And this is great, you guys. I can show you the difference in a week. Like these are on the 21st and these are on the 20th. Well, these are 2 days apart. See? Things grow so quickly, you guys. Very, very quickly. Now our mortgage lifters are right here. See? These are the mortgage lifter Baker Creek. And I'm going to keep moving, y'all, because I told y'all I wasn't going to hold y'all long. See? That was the lie, as Maury would say. These are more mortgage lifters. More mortgage lifters. And some Chinese color. Chinese color peppers. I can't wait to see these, you guys. Yes. Yes. Okay. And then I have stuff that I still need to plant. Let me turn the camera around. I'm trying to do 2 videos. These are the things that have not showed me their little hump in the road to let me know to put them under the light, but they are germinating. They are in the good soil. Strawberries down there. I can't hold the camera, but I got 2 cameras, y'all. You can see. Because I just want to make sure you guys get everything. We have Golden Gal Wonder Peppers. We have some starfish that I'm waiting to come up. And then I'll show you these things when they grow. So, but before that, look at these Grow kits, you guys. I have to show you these grow kits from Dollar Tree. Look at my strawberries. You know strawberries take 1,000 years to grow. I'm just kidding, y'all. It don't take 1,000 years. But you know what I'm saying. They take a while. Look at these. Dollar Tree. I have sweet basil. Germinating. Dollar Tree. Sorry. We have daisies. Dollar Tree. Look at these daisies, y'all. Aren't they beautiful? And we don't know which video we're going to use, so we're going to watch both. I love you guys. These are some plants that I replanted. You are the best. So there you have it. There you have it, you guys. This is Skinny Boy Randy. You know we had to start over, and this is our table. And I just did this video just for you. I wasn't going to do a video today. Okay? Okay! But I did it for you anyway. I love you guys. You're the best. Don't forget, click like and subscribe if you haven't already. Click the bell if you want to get a notification every time I make a video. Share the video with your friends and family. And don't forget, remember, live, love, laugh, you guys. Grow stuff and eat it! You are the best!